Tired of the same old trap beat? Me too. Inspired by the world famous DJ Carnage, I've created the Carnage knob. Well, what does it do? It makes things, especially sub basses, very way more stronger. Let's take a look for ourselves. That is very way more stronger. Next, we should put a Fruity Loops EQ on there. It's a very nice EQ that Fruity Loops has created. Boosting it around the 100 Hz level makes it way more sharper. It gives it thump. Now, let's make this beat pop. It's already poppin', but it needs more pop. That's the stuff. There we go. This'll help. There we go. That's it. That's good. That's good right there. Now that's poppin', download Carnage knob today.